Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is the RoLife Bookstore Book Nook.
My family and I put this together and we had such a great time. All of the pieces are either wood, cardboard, or stickers. So you're going to either be popping them out of a template or peeling them off of a sheet, and everything fit together really well. The print quality was great. It's amazing. We could clearly read tiny little book titles. And this is definitely more of an advanced puzzle, but there were things that my 7-year-old nephew could help us with, and we all had a blast. Overall, this book nook took several hours to put together, but it was great. We did this every evening for about a week, just for an hour here and there, and we loved it so much. It's really relaxing, and you feel so accomplished at the end, especially when everything is wired and the light actually turns on. And I really just have to praise RoLife because their templates and their stickers were precise. Funny story, we thought that some books were misprinted because the design was reversed, but there is a mirror in the design. So once it's all put together, those reversed books appear normally in the mirror. So RoLife really thought of everything. And now just look at the beautiful final product that you're going to end up with to put on your bookshelf, to display it, to give away as a gift. It's absolutely beautiful and truly one of a kind.
So you should definitely pick it up. I don't think you're going to regret it, but that's just my point of view.